Step 1. Right click this PC. Then click Properties. Then click Advanced System Settings. Then click Environment Variables. So here we have user variables for users and system variables. So any change or any changes that you make to the user variables for user, it only affects the user variables for users. However, any change that you make to the system variables, it affects both the system variables and the user variables. So that's why we have to make changes to the system variables. Therefore, we are going to set our environment variables for Python within the system variables. So go on and click new. Then here set your variable name. I'm going to use Python path. Then after that, enter your variable value. So the variable value you're going to find it from where we installed our Python. So go on the search bar, Windows search bar, and type there Python. So right click on Python, then click open file location. Then click on this Python, which is Python 3.2. That's right click on this Python, then click open file location. Then go on and click here on this search bar, the location bar, So click in the empty space, then right click to copy this path. Then go back, paste it here in our variable value. Just right click, then paste, then add a semicolon, again right click, and then paste, then add a stroke, script S with a capital letter, then click OK. So you can click on the path you've created, the variable you've created, click on it, double click on it. Then this is what you've created. This is the environment variable for Python. This is what we've set. Then after you are done, click OK, and you are done. So to prove that you have successfully set the Python environment variables on your Windows, go and open your command prompt, then type there Python --version. So if you have successfully set the environment Python variable, you will see the Python version on your command prompt. So this is our first method when setting the environment variables for Python on Windows. And for all the source codes, you can change for all the source codes. Or for more information about this, you can check for my blog post. The link is in the description and here on the screen. For method 2, I've already done that on my blog post. I'm not going to include this in this video, so check out my blog post. The link is here on the description. The link is here on the screen and in the description below. So that's it. Like and share if you like this video. Like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Next time, bye bye.